everyone, and welcome back to this channel. And today I'm going to walk you through how to cancel your Spotify subscription by using the Spotify website. The first thing you need to do is to sign in by going to www.spotify.com. As you can see, I'm there already. Next thing I'll do is to sign into your account. Now, if you already have an account, you should be able to sign in easily. So you tap the three lines at the top right corner, and then you tap on login, which is this option over here. And once you're in, the next thing you have to do is to click on your profile picture or username on the top right corner, then select account from the drop down menu. So then the next thing I'm going to do is to scroll down to the account overview section. Then once you're there, you have to click on change or cancel next to Spotify Premium. Once you've done that, you confirm by clicking on cancel Premium again. Don't forget to confirm that you want to cancel your subscription. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget that after canceling your subscription, you'll still be able to use Spotify until the end of your current billing period. Your account will then revert to the free version.